When was the first time you saw porn?
I think I would just sometimes stand naked in front of the mirror and just watch it and like, oh my god, you're so pretty.
So, tell me about that controversy, yaar.
वो मौत को छू के से वापस वाला.
Do you like attention?
Of course. मैं तो बोलती हूँ, I'm an attention freak.
Have you ever been hit on by a known actor? Thought bubble दिखा मेरे को. Do you feel people don't consider you as a human being and more of a sex object?
Yeah, they do. A lot of them. They do.
ये industry कैसी है?
Bollywood?
No. I'm talking about this whole erotica industry.
First erotica video, I actually cried.
You feel that India बहुत sex driven है, but openly accept नहीं करता है?
Obviously नहीं accept करता. And I'm fans of Deepika Padukone or Priyanka Chopra or all these amazing big names. When they kiss on camera, when they make out on camera, people just go like, what a kissing scene. But on the other hand, if I am posting something out there, why am I being blamed? Look, I don't have a sugar daddy and I don't understand how to even patao them and I don't know. मैं अपना जैसे चला रही हूँ बस.
What do you think about that AI kiss that is doing the rounds?
तो जब AI का वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है तो मैंने आई स्पोक टू मैं यार समय क्या करे. तो पूनम जी मेरे पास एक आइडिया. मतलब क्या आप बोलो कि ये सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर है, पूरा वीडियो आपको आपके ओनली फैंस में मिलेगा. मैंने बोला यार
कोई ऐसा strangest fan encounter बताओ ना. I should ask your bodyguard that question.
I mean
He's the star of Latent. Oh! Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Unfolding Talents. आज हमारे बीच एक बहुत ही interesting actor है. She's credited with being India's first erotic actor. Please welcome none other than Poonam Pandey. Hi Poonam Pandey, welcome to the show.
Thank you for calling me.
Thank you for gracing our set with your presence.
Thank you for inviting.
Do you realize जब से आप हमारी बात हो रही थी कि आप यार पॉडकास्ट करेंगे, तब से ऑफिस में वाइब भी बहुत डिफरेंट है.
हैं?
Yeah, people are very excited. Oh, Poonam Pandey is coming.
मुझे तो ये वाइब नहीं दिखी जब मैं आई थी तो.
वो
कहाँ
दिखाते
गए
नहीं
वो
है.
सारे लोग जो ये वाइब दिखा रहे थे. आओ मुझे वो वाइब दिखाओ.
You like attention?
Of course.
Yeah.
I love it.
Hmm.
ये तो पूरी दुनिया जानती है. मैं तो बोलती हूँ I'm an attention freak. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Why do you need attention?
I don't know. I love it.
Hmm.
I love the
Validation जो मिलता है उससे.
हाँ अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Yeah, feels good.
Yeah.
How about the attention that you got after Latent? समय रहना के शो पे.
Latent के बाद तो I've got मतलब खैर.
ये आज का तो नंबर 1 शो है वो. अगर YouTube पे देखा जाए.
शो भी नंबर 1 है and that banda is also number 1.
Yeah.
Samay is
Supremely the.
Supriya is an amazing guy. And the response that I have got after that show, it's so positive. Like every second person is like, we never knew that ये भी तुम्हारा side है. तो that's what India's Got Latent has given me, and I'm grateful to that. Yeah.
What do you think about that AI kiss that is doing the rounds? समय रहना बोलता है कि इस औरत ने she preferred death over kissing me.
नहीं so I did send him a voice note. उसने झूठ बोला उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें.
अच्छा.
I never mentioned my relative. वो अपने relative की बात कर रहा था.
अच्छा.
मैंने बस उसको ये बोला कि अगर मेरा कोई बॉयफ्रेंड होता तो शायद मुझे ब्रेकअप कर लेता ये वीडियो देख के. मैंने ये बोला. Oh, he did not say that. उसने अपना लाइन वहां पे चिपका दिया कि बूढ़े रिलेटिव. अच्छा बेटा ठीक है.
But because of Latent, I think a lot of people started knowing you. Have you realized that?
A lot of people
already know
it's
you.
Madness. No, it's madness. I tell you what happened with me a few days. I mean, I was traveling and people are just coming to me airport. Usually तो आते ही हैं picture click करने, but Latent के बाद और भी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आने लगे. And interesting thing was people are coming, वापस कभी आ रहे हो आप Latent में? मैं बोल रही यार मतलब बुलाओ मुझे, मैं वापस आने में और ट्रोल करूं मुझे.
Samay in fact
Samay,
said,
I mean,
he
Samay
said
was-
also na कि इसके बाद you're a very cool girl.
Yeah,
देखा जाए
yeah.
तो.
In fact, he's a very chill guy. But
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
उसके one-liners, bro, oh, that's
बहुत
mad.
instinctive comedy है उसकी.
Yeah, yeah. But
ये कुछ भी scripted नहीं है, right?
कुछ भी scripted नहीं है, and you really need brains to pull that off.
True
On the spot. On the spot. In fact, उसने एक बहुत उसने मुझे एक आइडिया भी दिया था, which I will share.
Please.
तो जब AI का वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है, तो मैंने आई स्पोक टू मैंने यार समय क्या करें, तो पूनम जी मेरे पास एक आइडिया, मतलब क्या आप बोलो कि ये सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर है, पूरा वीडियो आपको आपके ओनली फैंस में मिलेगा. मैंने बोला हो गया अभी बस. खैर मैं दूसरे दिन फिर आई कॉल्ड में से मैं करूँ क्या, जैसे पूनम जी अभी हो गया, अभी इट्स एन ओल्ड स्टोरी नाउ ना, ठीक है.
That ship has already sailed.
या हाँ
है ना?
Yeah.
OnlyFans का ये monetization कैसा है? How do you get paid like?
I mean, you have your bank accounts connected to the page, so
It's like YouTube only?
It's like YouTube, yeah.
Okay, and does it pay like really well?
I mean, depends what you do. जैसे एक YouTuber different categories होते हैं, तो it's exactly like that. Like last year, I was on number 6 in the world on OnlyFans. ये साल का अभी तक result नहीं आया, I don't know.
इंडिया में बूम नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं, इंडिया में नहीं. It's more of a US thing.
It's more of a US thing.
Yeah.
Do you know who's my favorite actor?
Who's
My-
your favorite? Who?
But I know yours. आपको नहीं पता होगा, but I know yours. It's
ये पहला इंसान देखा मैंने confident high five. कौन है
I
बता?
know. It's नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी from Kick. और टक से आप मौत को छू के वापस आ जाते हैं.
Oh, that line, हाँ. But who is your favorite?
Right now?
हाँ.
Right now it's Gulshan Devaya because I'm going to be interviewing him after this.
Oh. Nice.
So
nice.
tell me about that controversy यार. That
वो
whole-
मौत को छू के
Mauts.
से वापस वाला.
Correct. Tell me about that.
क्या वापस आ गई मैं? बैठी हूँ आपके
You
सामने
realize
जिंदा.
कि
आप मुझे छू के भी देख सकते हैं.
alive. But do you feel पूरे देश में रेज हो गया था वो?
हाँ.
और ये दूसरी बार हो रहा है आपके लाइफ में. एक बार आपने पहले भी किया, उसके बारे में हम जाएंगे वहाँ पे. But then let's talk
World
about
Cup का कॉल.
yeah, the World Cup.
That was madness. That was मतलब वो तो I freaked out myself because I was not from the industry at all.
How old were you then?
I was 17. Yes, actually. Now when I think back, I was like, क्या सोच के? Sometimes you know, I wonder I should ask this to my mom and I will ask her, क्या खा के मुझे पैदा किया था? Seriously यार, मतलब today when I look back, I would like you really need guts to say something like that.
True that.
I had like good 22 court cases on me those days, and I was like, हाँ मैं कर लूँगी, मैं झेल लूँगी. No, you can't. Now I'm 32. You can't. You can't fuck things up वैसा, you know. You have to.
But उसके लिए बहुत guts चाहिए. Where does it come from? Where does the courage come from?
Same question I'm gonna ask my mother.
No, but I don't think your mother would be able to answer that.
She's not able to because
Only you can.
Because I come from a very typical Pandit Brahmin family. Half of the
Pandey,
time they are
Shukla.
they are on Shukla ji. तो आपको तो पता ही है.
I know.
आज ज्यादा घर पे लोग घूंघट में घूमते हैं.
True that.
Like I am nowhere close to my family. मैं किसी से बात भी नहीं करती उतना ज्यादा.
वो भी 17 की उम्र में आपने बोल दिया कि you'll strip.
No, the funniest thing what I did ना, मैंने घर पे भी किसी को नहीं बताया था.
Hmm.
So my dad sitting in the office having his morning chai and he sees my picture on the newspaper. And he threw the paper. He came home. Fart food. I would get कि ये क्या बोला तूने, ये क्या किया तूने? Full.
But आप कर देते?
हाँ. उनको बड़ी मजा आती है. You do it and then you see the spark. I think I'm more of a मस्ती खोर. I think I have a lot of मस्ती in my.
That's what my first
चुल,
question was. You like
चुल.
attention.
चुल बोलते ना, चुल है. वो है मेरे अंदर और कुछ नहीं है.
Attention.
हाँ.
Hmm.
Attention से भी ज्यादा चुल. भर के. Like,
कि इसके बाद क्या होगा?
ये करके देखते क्या होगा. And then you just you poke and you run.
इसके लिए I think you pulled this off also really well.
What?
Are you too intelligent? Are you too dumb? I always want to know that. I think you're too intelligent. Because to pull this off, like अभी you saying 17 थे, आज you're 32, so that makes it 15. मेरे को तो maths भी आता है. Right? So that's 15 years, and अभी recently this whole cervical cancer वाला thing हुआ,
Mm.
तो how did you pull it off? घर पे पता था किसको?
Only mom knew. और बताना पड़ेगा वरना चालू हो जाते घर में, अरे मेरी बेटी, you know all that. So I was like, I had to tell her. उसके अलावा मॉम के अलावा उनके अलावा किसी को नहीं पता.
तो 2 दिन
None
कैसे?
of my
वो
relatives.
2 दिन फिर क्या कर रहे थे?
I was in
वही
Lonavala.
chilling at home.
I was in Lonavala. Yeah, I was in a gorgeous villa chilling and reading shit about.
क्या सरप्राइजिंग क्या था? शॉक और सरप्राइजिंग और शॉकिंग दोनों.
सरप्राइजिंग से ज्यादा शॉकिंग था जो वो मरने के बाद पता है हम लोग बोलते आत्मा देखती चीजें ना, तो वो मेरा वो वाइब था वो 2 दिन.
तो आप कौवा बन के देख रहे थे?
मैं मरने के बाद सब I would see अच्छा इसलिए बोला अच्छा, like your best friend would turn, you know, there's a lot of things I've experienced.
ऐसा कुछ याद है?
हाँ मतलब मैंने मेरे बारे में अफवाहें सुनी है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, यू नो, कि यार ये रात को यहाँ पे थी and I think she's got murdered, so this is happening. Yeah, I've heard shit about myself while I'm alive and I'm reading it. And one of my closest friend is you know, वो फैला रही है that news. That's I'm telling you ना.
Are you still friends with her?
Of course not.
Okay.
I called her, I told her that and I blocked her.
If you know who that close friend is, comment and tell us.
You. I would tell you that right now.
Yeah, you can just name her also.
हाँ.
That's
Would not name negative people. Yeah. Yeah.
But उसमें बहुत फ्लैक भी मिला आपको. When you came, जब आपको उनको realize हुआ कि आप जिंदा हैं, तो cervical cancer छोड़ो, पूनम पांडे को गाली दो.
जिंदा क्यों है तू?
जिंदा क्यों है तू?
नहीं, but I tell you, वो फेज बहुत घटिया था. That those 2 दिन के बाद का I think 15-20, मैं सदमे में थी. I was so depressed. I was crying. I was like, मर क्यों नहीं गई सच में? And I was that depressed. Yeah, I was. But then after that, 15-20 days and 1 month passed, and then people started understanding, realizing, and that entire trolling and that negative shit had, you know, started moving into positivity. When people are, oh, okay, like cervical cancer, 48 hours trend कर रहा था number 1 on Google Trends. People have actually gone out and taken vaccination. तो you know, तो धीरे-धीरे जब लोगों को अक्कल आई.
But you feel कि यार वो डेथ के साथ मजाक जो हो गया, वो इसके लिए लोगों को कुछ ज्यादा ही, you know, चुभा.
हाँ, I also think that कि यार मौत के साथ मजाक नहीं करना चाहिए था. But यार मैं मजाक थोड़ी ना तो कर रही थी, मैं genuinely कुछ प्रमोट कर रही थी. बाहर लोगों ने जाके genuinely वैक्सीनेशन लिया. मेरी खुद को मॉम को कैंसर था. She had cancer, and we have seen few things घर पे भी, you know. जब आपके पास पैसे नहीं होते, जब आपकी चीजें नहीं होती है, then you're fucked. So I was like, ठीक है, you know, I'll do something good, but
Whose idea was it?
this was Shabang's idea.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
और फिर उनका तो नाम ही नहीं है.
Shabang was like, हमारा तो कुछ लेना देना है ही नहीं. They ran as if मतलब वो थे ही नहीं इस दुनिया में.
है ना? But it did your job. आपके लिए तो it worked really.
Yeah, it did work.
Do you feel people don't consider you as a human being and more of a subject?
Yeah, they do. A lot of them, they do. What India has got latent gave me, and also while going out and, you know, meeting more people and doing podcasts stuff, we're like, you know, ये chill बंदी है, मतलब इसके पास आवाज भी है इसके अलावा. So that's yeah.
And you think कि लोग taken for granted लेते just because of your line of work कि आपसे कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, ये तो
like I'm talking about primarily about
नहीं. None of वो देखिए, that also depends on your aura and the kind of personality you are. Till date, wherever I've stepped in or I've sat, not a single shit has happened. इनको पता है martial art आता है, मार देगी.
What do you like to call yourself as?
Punam Pandey?
No. In terms of profession, as an actor or as a porn performer, as an erotic performer? Actor. Okay.
I'm not a performer, nowhere close to that. I have done erotica videos, but more than an erotica actress, because I've also done a lot of films. everything
Nasha.
comes nasha and everything comes, see, because I'm an actor. तो हमारा धर्म वो है, that comes first. उसके अंदर से if you, now आप मेरे साथ बैठे, you would never even imagine कि oh my god, is this the same girl who is performing that erotica video?
No.
Because that's camera, that's a character that I'm playing, that's not me. So like that I can play different. तो martial art भी तो करती हूँ, तो और भी तो चीजें करती हूँ. Yeah.
No, I asked.
And that is also paying my bills these days, so why would I stop?
Of course,
Yeah.
of course. And is it really good money, right? बहुत पैसे है ना?
जब आपके पास होते नहीं है ना, और जब आपको इंडस्ट्री में काम नहीं मिलता है ना, when I was in that situation, अगर ये मैंने चालू नहीं किया तो I would have come on the street, that's for sure. Yeah.
For real.
Yeah, because I was just not getting any job from 2015. I remember I don't know what was, I think it was a bad phase of my life. That was, I'm giving audition, I'm going here, I'm going there, meeting this casting, मेरा कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. मैं यार मैं बिल कैसे भरूंगी मेरे? So as like, yeah, I started this, and yeah, I'm proud of myself today. I'm so fucking proud that I did this, and I'm still sitting here.
And relevant.
And relevant, yes.
And 15 years, you're still relevant.
15 साल.
बहुत.
मेरी जो बैंड बजी मुझे ही पता है. मुझे पता है. But ऊपर वाला बोलते ना कि I think it's not just with me. I think it's with every second person, you know. We just struggle to reach there. But हमको, when you turn back, you look कि तूने ये सब किया लाइफ में. मैं तो साला erotica star भी बन गई. मैं जो बनने भी नहीं आई थी.
When was the first time you thought कि चल ये करते हैं?
So it did not start like that. It started.
Hold it. Let's just go उससे भी पहले.
Okay.
When was the first time you saw porn?
I saw porn. I think how old
What
was
age
I?
was it?
I think it was in 9th grade. 8th or 9th grade.
15.
like that. हाँ, 15 के आसपास. Yeah.
We're almost of the same age, so I think we've seen the kind of
हाँ.
not the porn I'm talking about. But
तूने कौन सी देखी बता? फिर मैं बताती मैंने कौन सी देखी है.
those were the times where internet इतना penetrate नहीं हुआ था इंडिया में.
हाँ.
So those were the times with the CDs. So
हाँ. नहीं मेरे पास किसी कोई जहरीली नागिन का CD नहीं था.
Okay.
I think I watched it इंटरनेट पे ही देखा था मैंने. I remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some hot chick, some blonde chick I remember watching. अभी तो मुझे नाम भी नहीं याद, but yeah. Why am I sharing all this? Because I'm no filter, obviously.
No, that's what we need for our show also. No?
I'm just giving you content. You
Giving
better
me
thank me
content.
later.
100%. So yeah, why I asked you that is because somewhere subconsciously एक चीज play out हुई होगी eventually. Because then at the age of 17, you say that if India wins, I'm going to strip. Then you have आपको आपके body पे भी तो बहुत confidence ही होगा. You must be like, oh,
I was very.
क्या body है मेरा?
And I remember 7th, 8th grade, and you know, I actually think of this sometimes. I swear on God. In fact, last week, I would just sometimes stand naked in front of the mirror and just watch it and like, oh my God, you're so pretty. And I was this little girl. I was like, oh my God, you're so pretty. खुद का मतलब इतनी self-obsessed.
मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
मैं अपनी हाँ completely. I'm that. मतलब मुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. मुझे बिठा दो अपने रूम में भी ना. I'll be chilling out, enjoying, reading books. I'm like, yeah. So I think, yeah, everything just started building today, and I just became so confident in front of the camera that I never मतलब clothes, imaginary clothes से difference ही नहीं समझ में.
First erotica कभी shot किया था?
First erotica video, I actually cried. I cried like a baby, I remember, because I used to always, shoot in bikini and stuff. And so I was in a relationship back then. And I was with this person. He's like, no, don't worry. And I would cry. I was like, no, nobody will marry me. What the fuck? Like, I'm a good cook and I want to have, kids and I want to, and I was like, life, huh? I was like, no. And the guy was like, no, don't worry. I'll marry you. And so yeah, today I don't want to marry anybody. Like, ठीक है. ये लाइफ कहाँ से कहाँ घूमती है ना, कभी समझ में ही नहीं आता.
स्टीव जॉब्स कहता था ना कि तुम कभी भी डॉट्स आगे कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. आप
हाँ.
जब पीछे देखते हो then you can start connecting dots कि इधर से गया उधर से
Yeah,
गया.
yeah, it's bizarre.
ये इंडस्ट्री कैसी है?
Bollywood?
No. Bollywood to we know. We write and all. I'm talking about this whole erotica industry per se.
I don't really know much. I just play my own game in my own space. I have my own production house. I have my own. I am the
You're a
producer.
performer.
I am the producer. I am taking care of everything. I am hiring the directors. It's literally my show. And
You're like the
plus-
Farhan Akhtar of erotica. सब करना है मुझे.
I just imagined Farhan.
No, he's also a jack of all trades and master of some, right?
Of course.
That's
That man, I mean, I am still in awe of that man with from Dil Chahta Hai. मतलब तुमने you know
क्या पिक्चर बनाया ना? You know, I recently saw Dil Chahta Hai and it's fresh.
It is still fresh.
It is fresh.
मैं अभी भी देखती हूँ.
अभी भी relatable,
Yeah,
of course,
yeah.
apart from a few things here and there.
नहीं,
क्योंकि
it
it
is especially that scene of Akshay sir, you know, when he's standing, they all are standing near the sea and they're like, you know, कि हम लोग एक टाइम आएगा हम अलग हो जाएंगे. वो एक्चुअली होता है कि कॉलेज के बाद सब अपने अपने रास्ते निकल जाते हैं, यू नो. एवरीवन हैज कोई पैसे बनाने के पीछे भाग रहा है, कोई प्रमोशंस के पीछे भाग रहा है. we just running.
वो आनंद का एक लाइन बहुत अच्छा कि जिंदगी लंबी नहीं जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, but then it's not even about living big. It's more
Big
about
as in like in your own eyes.
So what I have understood in so many years is what we lose apne the time that we don't give to our family na, that is the most precious time. You know, your mom, dad, your brother, sister, your blood. You know, so वो चीज I think मेरे हिसाब से वो जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए in that term. छोटी हो but अपने माँ के साथ you sit and just say I have one roti and have that conversation कि mom आज दिन ऐसा था आज ऐसा था. Today in the morning I spoke to my mom, so every time after my workout I call her around 8:39 because we don't live together. And I've made this my habit now. I call her first thing in the morning after my workout and like, so mom, how's क्या चल रहा है? नहीं मम्मी मैं पूजा की तैयारी कर रही हूँ and all that. It feels home. हम तो बाहर निकल के बस लड़ते झगड़ते रहते हैं ना, इससे आगे कैसे बढ़े, उससे ये दुनिया ही हसलिंग है. That's the world today. But सुकून वहाँ है.
So why don't you live with your parents?
I mean, I lost my dad a few years back, and
sorry
mom is actually I live with them. My mom is now my brother has just they've just delivered twins, so my mom is there taking care of them. Okay. But she lives with me, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
क्या रिएक्शन था बोला फर्स्ट टाइम?
किस चीज का?
जब ये ऐसा पापा का तो आपने बता दिया कि you know, you got angry seeing a paper में वो.
Yeah.
But what about मम्मी? मम्मी क्या कह रहे हैं?
थप्पड़ मुझे बहुत मार पड़ी है पूरी. I think इसीलिए मेरा डर निकल गया है. नहीं, अपने बच्चों को उतना मारो मत. मैंने इतना मार खाया है, मतलब and after a point में क्या करेंगे, ज़्यादा मारेंगे ही ना. You know, I would go there in that zone. होमवर्क नहीं कि हाँ मार लो. After मैंने ठाड़ हाँ ठीक है. And look at me, फिर पूनम पांडे बनती है. अरे अच्छी है.
Not bad. 100%. See, आपकी एजुकेशन का क्या फिर? आफ्टर जब आपने ये 17 में बोल दिया, तो उसके बाद going to college, did that happen or not?
No, I did not. I was just busy making money after that.
Rolling in dough.
जो भी था बस था.
If you had to go back in time, एक चीज जो आप चेंज करना चाहते हैं, what would that be?
Spend more time with my dad. बाकी सब सेट है.
बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास.
मस्त है एकदम.
What was your relationship like with your father during his end years?
I mean, it was all good. It was all nice. But I mean, he was kind of not happy, thoda sa, because I did not give him much time. And that one thing I would always feel bad about. कि you know, मैं इनको टाइम नहीं दे पाई. वैसे छोटी सी एज में just run out, ये shoot वो shoot. I actually made a very beautiful haveli for them, Jaunpur में, huge house, and he got super happy, like oh my god, मेरी बेटी ने ये you know made this haveli. Everything was good. इसलिए मैं आपको थोड़े टाइम जो पहले बोल रही थी ना कि लाइफ बड़ी नहीं, वो फैमिली टाइम, तो आई लर्न दैट, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
ना
तुम बनाओ जो बनाना है, बट वो एक प्लेट में खाली एक रोटी भी खा लो ना यार मॉम के साथ बैठ के, वो वाइब भी अलग है, एंड दैट कैन नॉट मैच a shit from nobody. That's like the best thing on earth.
The best feeling है वो.
Yeah, that's why I make sure I talk to my mother now. I make sure, you know, I shoot ho, kuch bhi ho, I would get my time out. My me time has to be with my mom, with my sister, with my dog. वो तो मेरा बच्चा है, मैं उसके साथ तो रहती, but my mom and my sister. Full me time. उनको तो देना ही देना है, बाकी दुनिया के भाड़ में.
You feel that India बहुत sex driven है, but openly accept नहीं करता.
Obviously नहीं accept करता.
Hypocritical है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. ये भी मतलब ये तो it's a very basic question, मतलब this is so obvious. आज अगर मेरे वीडियोस इतने ज़्यादा बिकते हैं और आज मैं जिंदा हूँ तो उन्हीं की वजह से. तो या ये वही लोग हैं, I mean with all due respect, because इनकी वजह से मेरा घर चलता है, बट ये तो लोग तो वही है ना जो आपकी वीडियोस भी देखते हैं रात को और
आपको गाली भी दे रहे हैं
और आपको सुबह उठ के गाली भी देते हैं. प्यार मत करो, मैं बोलती हूँ, बस बेइज्जती मत करो यार.
and to be treated as a human only, is that what your
No, sometimes it makes you angry, you know, because not just me. You tell me one thing, I don't understand this myself sometimes, you know, when an actor, with all due respect, and I'm fans of Deepika Padukone or Priyanka Chopra or all these amazing big names, when they kiss on camera, when they make out on camera, people just go like, what a kissing scene. But on the other hand, if I am posting something out there, why am I being blamed? Is what I don't understand. Is it because, oh, they have done it in a certain level and because I'm going nude? I just don't get it. Maybe I need to understand this little better. Like I said, I love them, but I just don't understand, you know, because what I'm doing is also acting. That's not me.
True.
Yeah.
You're playing a character.
I'm playing a character. आप मुझे रोने का भी सीन दो तो मैं वो भी कर लूंगी, because I've kept my acting classes on. मैं कुछ बंद नहीं किया है. मुझे पता है कि I will nail it one day and I'm going to.
You will.
Yeah, हक है मेरा.
एक thought था कि Sunny Leone came to India and she was accepted.
Yeah.
Is it because she's light skinned?
I have been rejected. So the time I told you, from 20, not that I'm crying and gaining any sympathy here, first of all, I don't. But that time, from 2014 to, I did good 2-3 films. एक तो मतलब sign हो, मतलब audition select हो गया, सब हो गया, पता नहीं क्या हुआ. And then the next thing they called me, sorry, you know, like, dude, but कल तो सब खुश थे. And I have been rejected for my skin color. खैर अभी तो we've been called exotic.
Correct. तो हाँ. आप abroad जाओ.
हाँ, नहीं इधर इंडिया में भी. Oh my gosh, she's so exotic. Oh my god. अभी वो अलग हो गया. 10 साल पहले when I started, there were so many interviews that I would go and sit और literally लोगों को ना आके बोलते, that's a makeup ना थोड़ा सा bright करा. ऐसे bro problem क्या है मेरे skin color में? तू हम इंडियंस है, हम ब्राउन है, fucking accept it, you know.
There is a reason कि
ये सारे ये जब ब्रिटिश आए थे ना तभी भी आप काउंटिंग देखो, हमारे पास crores and crores and crores of Indian एक साइड, ब्रिटिश कितने थे? मुट्ठी भर. ये करोड़ इंडियंस इनके सामने झुक गए क्योंकि वो वाइट थे. और साला हम we are still following the same thing. Again,
आज भी colonial hangover में है हम लोग. आज भी तो वही हो रहा है कि
कितनी गोरी चिट्टी है ना. हाँ. मैं भी कितनी ब्राउन चिट्टी हूँ ना. Like, seriously, dude. What the?
I have a video to show.
हाँ.
Check this out, okay?
मेरी वीडियो है?
नहीं. No.
Just confirming.
No, I'll show you a video. I want to see.
मैं पूछती थी कितने में खरीदी.
Okay.
मैं डिस्काउंट दे देती थी.
Is there any coupon like that? You can just plug it in. Okay, let's check this video.
क्लासी लोगों की बात करो मेरे साथ. क्लासी है पूनम पांडे. क्लासी है, हॉट एंड हैपनिंग है.
I love you, Rakhi. She's my friend.
बारे में मुझसे मत पूछा करो प्लीज. और सड़क पे निकलती क्या समझती है अपने को, एकदम एलियन जैसी लगती है.
Alien? Did she just call her alien?
उसका खोपड़ा देखा है?
खोपड़ा? Rakhi?
उसको थोड़ा सा तेजी होना चाहिए.
Okay, so if
Okay, so tell me, who are your friends in the industry?
Rakhi is my friend, and
Definitely.
I personally think she is one big f***ing entertainment का dose which Bollywood needs.
हाँ.
वो है.
कुछ भी बोलो 20 साल से relevant है
वो 20 साल से relevant है. मतलब there's only a Rakhi Sawant can pull off कि घर पे fan मत लगाओ, पंखे fan लगाओ, you know, whatever. And we just laugh. We want to laugh. She is one of the
fan ban करो उन्होंने.
हाँ, she's one of the best entertainer according to me, and I'm a very big fan of Rakhi Sawant. Mwah, love her.
She's good.
Yeah.
So she's your
खोपड़ा.
friend.
What is खोपड़ा?
Brands आते हैं आपके पास?
बहुत ज्यादा.
Yeah, any kind of brands that's come your way, some like a good elite brand asked you to promote because you have around 1.5 million है आपके
So
followers?
yeah, it's 2.9. I'm just reaching 3 million. तो मेरा
Sorry,
पहला
3 million.
तो my first page was at 5.5 million which got hacked.
5.5 million.
Yes, वरना मैं आज 12-13 मिलियन पे होती. ये मेरा सेकंड पेज है जो अभी 3 मिलियन टच करने वाला है. Yes, but see, it's universe. I'm telling you, I'm blessed. I'm happy. I just signed a very big deal with Stake.com, which is one of the biggest gaming website, and yeah, they're huge. So I'm glad they signed me.
नहीं, पैसे आने दो. Of course.
Money is good money. I love money.
I have a question. आप अगर नहीं जवाब देना चाहें तो that is also okay.
पूछिए.
है ना? And if you feel that I'm crossing a line, you can just slap me also if you want.
Slap तो
No problem. थाने it's okay. That happens.
हाँ.
That I can take. I'm saying when we're starting, आपने बोला कि वो when you used to look at yourself in the mirror and you'd be like क्या body है. Everything is so good. So do you think cosmetic changes need to be done in the later stages of life? ये कुछ is it essential for the game plan?
I mean, it depends. It depends on person to person. Now, if you'll ask me, I proudly say I'm blessed with a beautiful body. So, but I have seen other people doing, going bad with it, like extremely bad. And some people are, you know, like, what a job. So, yeah, it depends on person to person.
So, you think fillers and everything? What do you think about that?
I mean, if somebody wants to do it, they can go ahead and do it. Why not?
It's their body.
It's their body, and they are paying their. अपने पर्स से पैसे निकाल के दे रही है, bro. मतलब आपका क्या ही जाता है? उसको एक तरीके का दिखना है, तो उसको दिखने दो ना. हम होते ही कौन है जज करने वाले?
Yeah, who are we to judge?
Yeah, it's like you bought this blue shirt for yourself with your own money.
True.
By the way, we're kind of vibing.
है ना?
I just realized.
It's
there ना, थाने.
थाने represent.
मैं थोड़े टाइम में थाने का बोर्ड लेके चलूंगी. I'm from थाने. वड़ा पाव दो.
Next level.
Okay, not like that. I might look retarded, but.
So, where can we see you next in? Some stunt are you planning to pull off? But don't be dead.
मर नहीं सकती वापस. अभी तो एक ही बार जो ओरिजिनल मरूंगी. वो जिसके लिए बहुत टाइम है, because बुरे लोग जल्दी नहीं मरते हैं बहुत यार.
So you feel आप बुरे हो? ऐसे क्यों लगता है आपको?
The kind of stunts I've done in my life, I'm definitely not going to heaven.
That's what I said. Are you the starting में हमारी जो बात हुई तो मैंने कहा कि either if जो आपकी trajectory देखें, either you're too dumb or you're too intelligent. Dumb तो
मैं नहीं. I exactly know what I'm doing. I know what I speak. I know. You know, I tell you something. This is actually very interesting. You know, bimbits, they call you. Oh, she's such a bimbo. She's a, if you actually see and understand Bimbo, they are one of the smartest women on earth. वो लूटती है जिस हिसाब से लोगों को, you know, just by being a bimbo. It's very interesting.
Psychology बहुत interesting.
वैसे मैं बिम्बो नहीं हूँ.
Definitely. You have a worldview. You know exactly what you're speaking and you're doing. That is, वो clarity होना बहुत सही
It
है.
has to be.
And
नहीं
hats
तो
off
you
to
will
that.
just run around like a headless chicken. अच्छा, ये रास्ता अच्छा हो रहा है, no?
किधर जाओ,
Can't
किधर
do
जाओ.
that, yeah. And especially when you are single and you have to, you know, I tell you something, Ankit. In life, सबसे पहले you have to understand it's only you who is going to pull you up or pull you down. It all starts with you. So we have to plan your thing, plan your shit. हमारा घटिया भी हम ही प्लान करते हैं, हमारा अच्छा भी हम ही प्लान करते हैं. It's better to plan good for yourself. Let's then never be dependent on anybody on earth.
Accept yourself.
Yeah, anybody, मतलब not even your husband, your wife, nobody. It starts with you.
Oh, nice.
That's how I work in my
ये
life.
एक्चुअली अच्छी लाइन है, ये अपने टेड टॉक में यूज करना. मेरे को टेड टॉक में जब बुलाएंगे.
Please call me. I can give you my number.
नहीं, ब्रांड पोजीशनिंग के लिए तो डेफिनेटली.
You know, now that I remember, I did. मैं इतनी cute हूँ. I'll tell you my version of cute क्या है later. It's so,
Please,
I'm sure you must have figured that. So I got an email from Ted. अभी नहीं हो गया उसको कुछ 2-3 साल. I was going through a complete mess in my life that time, like complete mess. I was in a possibly the worst relationship कोई भी, you know, and I had no idea, you know. I was like blank. सब जगह से बोलता ना कि कहाँ जाऊँ? I could only see walls and walls. And I remember getting a mail from them. And today when I sit, I was like, Poonam, you had such a big opportunity, and you know.
You get it again.
100%. I know that.
Nothing.
I know that. जो तुम्हारा है वो तुमको मिलेगा ही. कोई नहीं लेके जा
कोई
सकता.
नहीं ले गया. I also believe in that.
Yeah.
How do you pull yourself out from dark phases? क्या करते हो वो टाइम पे?
You have to trust yourself.
इतना सेल्फ बिलीफ आता कहाँ से? 17 साल की उम्र में आया.
जब मैंने ना मेरे लाइफ में काम करना चालू किया जब मैं 12 साल की थी. I was a tailor back then. तो I have, और मैं ना एक ड्रेस 10-10 रुपए में बेचती थी. I was very अमीर 6th standard में. Like, you know, एक दिन में 3-3 4-4 बार्बी डॉल की ड्रेस बिक जाती थी. तो I would, you know, देख अरे क्या, you know, full. So I've
एंटरप्राइजिंग नेचर बचपन से रहा है.
बचपन से रहा है. And I've only believed in myself. Because तुम ही हो बॉस, आगे भी तो तुम ही जाओगे.
मेडिटेशन करना पड़ता है आपको भी?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा. Not a lot. I can't sit so उतना ज़्यादा, but थोड़ा सा कर लेती हूँ ताकि मैं किसी को गाली ना दूँ.
कोई ऐसा strangest fan encounter बताओ ना. You must have come across crazy guys. At least I should ask your bodyguard that question.
I mean, तुम बताओ. Strangest fan के बारे में बताओ ना. अमीन ने तो मारा है 1-2 लोगों को.
Actually, camera pan करके just show him because he's the star of Latent. Please show
अमीन
him.
आ जाओ. आ जाओ. अमीन इधर आओ. अमीन
You have to bend a little. The star. Please. And Poonam Pandey. Yes. But the star. तो अमीन मियां बताइए कि ऐसा स्ट्रेंजेस्ट जो फैन एनकाउंटर मैम का हुआ है.
एक हैदराबाद में हम लोग प्रमोशन कर रहे थे सर मैम के साथ.
अच्छा.
मेकअप टीम था, मैनेजर था, हम लोग भी कम पड़ गए. जितना लोग क्राउड मैम के आंख पे आ गया था. बहुत क्राउड था लोग. वो हैदराबाद का गाना बहुत डेंजर था. मैम भी डर गए थे. वो
मैं अपने दरवाजे पे
भी
they all ran, होटल के अंदर आ गए थे. कुछ 20-25 लोग आए थे ना. They started banging the door. मेरा होटल door. I was shivering. I was like, इनके हाथ लगी मैं तो मैं गई.
सबको फोटो चाहिए था.
फोटो चाहिए था. लग नहीं रहा था फोटो चाहिए था. It was spooky.
नहीं, that's what ना मैं स्टार्टिंग में पूछा, do they take you for granted कि यही हो जाता ना कि हाँ इसके साथ तो हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं.
I think that was a 31st night. 31st
night सेम ऐसी था. और एक प्रमोशन था हैदराबाद का. दोनों
फुल दारू पी के full.
तो इसके लिए आपकी मसल्स यहाँ पे काम आती होगी।
Muscle अभी, हाँ,
ओए, तो
इसका-
flex कर दो,
लेकिन-
flex कर दो।
I mean,
रहा है।
लेकिन मसल्स इंडिया's got latent पे देखने नहीं मिलता ना, ये
हाँ,
बेचारे
he's standing like this
always
only.
standing.
Standing.
I mean, मारा है वहाँ पे किसी को अभी तक इंडिया's
2
got
दिन को
latent.
बाहर किया उधर में, जो सर के साथ जो बदतमीजी करते, बात भी बराबर नहीं करते, उनको चुपचाप सर वो इशारा करके उठा के बाहर, वो सब नहीं दिखा।
तो वो ऐसा वो there's a film no that the dictator करके there's a film
हाँ, हाँ.
जिसमें the supreme leader is there, वो देखता है
हाँ,
कॉफी लेट लाया.
anything else और भी कुछ है ऐसा कुछ?
किसका मैम का?
हाँ।
अच्छा तो सर काफी है, मतलब अभी उनके साथ 10-11 साल से हुआ, अभी एक स्टोरी बताऊं तो टाइम
एक और हो जाए
और क्या था, वही 31 का बोले, और हैदराबाद में
तुमने
promotion
एक
था।
लड़की को याद है एक बार
फिर लास्ट
मारा.
अभी जो डिटेन होते, जो मर के जिंदा हो गए थे,
अरे
तभी मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ।
लड़कियों की मिहिर वीरानी
मिहिर
तभी
मेरा.
तो लास्ट जो हुआ था विश्रा मैम ने जो
I just imagine-
किए थे लेडीज लोग के लिए, वो लोग काफी मीडिया वाले मुझे परेशान कर रहे थे, मुझे इंटरव्यू के लिए बुला रहे थे कि आपको पता है, मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता है।
हाँ,
तो एक बार कैमरे के
अमीन को
सामने आ
नहीं
जाऊं,
पता
मैं
था.
आऊँ तो मैं प्रॉब्लम में आ जाऊँ, पर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कुछ, इसलिए मैं वो लास्ट हुआ था हम लोग का। उसके बाद तो अभी चालू है सब छोटा मोटा, मेरे बात के साथ में
ऐसे ही ध्यान दीजिए हमारे
Yes,
थाने
yes,
की
yes.
पोरगी का।
मैम
हाँ।
के साथ स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक अभी तक हूँ मैं।
अरे
हमेशा रहेंगे.
Done.
चलो.
Thank you for doing
Okay,
that,
sir.
bye. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you so much. Clap for him, man. On you have people that have been with you since a very long time.
17 साल की जब से when I started तब से ही.
नहीं, that speaks volumes about a person. क्योंकि लोग ज्यादा टाइम टिकते नहीं हैं जगह पे जब तक अच्छा नहीं हो गए.
I think I'm blessed with good people around me, so yeah.
You think ये short lived है? You have any plan कि see now age से हम लोग कोई भी we can't run away from age.
Yeah.
Right, that is going to catch up on. You think ये एक टाइम तक ही चलेगा, उसके बाद क्या? कभी सोचा है इसका?
I personally think it just becomes sexier and sexier. I तो want to catch on age and I want to do some amazing stuff in life that nobody would even think of. Why are we thinking कि अरे मैं तो एज हो जाएगा तो मुझे लोग देखना बंद कर देंगे. कुछ ऐसा करो कि आपको 10,000 और लोग देखें. You know, so I have to some amazing plans.
So you're not insecure about that?
Of course not. I think a woman looks so much more sexier and elegant when when she becomes mature and more mature. I think it's very hot.
It is.
It's
It is no doubt.
insanely hot.
But do you plan on doing
और
this?
झगड़े
only?
भी कम होते हैं. Sorry.
Do you plan on doing the same thing फिर? I'm saying मसलन सोचते हैं अब 50 हो गए.
See, I mean, okay, I'm going to take a very interesting example here. That's my way of looking at it. Tabu. Now, this gorgeous woman, I'm a very big fan of her. Her looks, her hair, her entire persona, and the way she acts, which not a lot of people can pull off if they are pretty.
Cherry on cake. Yeah.
हाँ, तो ये बंदी के अंदर सब कुछ भर के दिया है भगवान ने. Touch wood. And when she started, whatever. Today when I watch her, I think she looks और भी ज़्यादा sexy to my eyes. I was like,
Very pretty.
मतलब ये औरत का ऑरा कहाँ से लाती है? So I want to go that level, वो angle, because that is sexy for me.
But I'm saying, will you be doing erotica? मेरा question वो है.
Erotica,
क्या आप 50 के हो जाओगे तभी भी आप erotica करोगे?
नहीं. Erotica
कुछ
तो
तो
मैं
सोचा होगा.
आपको मैं बोलूँ honestly, erotica तो मैं कल बंद कर दूँ. I have been auditioning constantly and I have been, the moment I get that job that I'm trying to
Looking for.
catch hold on, मेरा बंद है दुकान. ये सिर्फ मेरा, because look, I don't have a sugar daddy. I don't have a godfather and I don't understand how to even patao them and I don't know. So whatever, मैं अपना जैसे चला रही हूँ बस. But ये मेरा घर नहीं, मेरा घर बॉलीवुड है. I want to be there.
Have you ever been hit on by a known actor? Thought bubble दिखा कोई तो है. बताओ नाम बताओ.
नाम
मतलब आप थोड़ी डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दो, हमारे ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है, आप बस बोलो.
Let's not talk about it.
बट ऐसा हुआ है
Yeah, it has happened.
बहुत बारी.
Yeah.
ऑफ कैमरा बताना.
नाही हे तर सांगणारच नाही तुला हे नाही सांगणार.
So
हाँ.
we have this small thing.
Okay.
तो गाली मिलेगा. एक छोटी सी चीज है. ऑडियंस के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं.
Okay,
These are not made up by us.
okay.
तो हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे.
पूछो पूछो.
हम्म. तो आदित्य 07 का ये क्वेश्चन है कि आप बिग बॉस में कभी गए नहीं हो पर आप लॉकअप में गए हो. सो ओवर देयर हाउ वाज योर बॉन्ड विद मुनव्वर फरूकी?
First of all, thank you, Aditya, for this question. With Munawwar, it was possibly one of the nicest bond that I've shared, to the point that, so he's my bhai, he's my, मतलब proper वाला. अभी जब cervical cancer का ये जब हुआ था, and he DM'd me. He's like कि क्या करने की जरूरत थी? And I was like, it was for a cause. I typed back. Did not reply. I think he felt bad. But उसका बुरा लगना जायज है because we really shared a brother-sister bond in lockup, and I respect that bond a lot. And he's an amazing man, so yeah.
This one more question that I had was कि alternate career एक intimacy director का भी तो आपका हो सकता है. Have you thought about that?
आइला, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं.
ये पूछा.
किसने?
It was his question.
Your question.
Chinmay had asked कि you should do
काय
some.
कुठे तुझा ब्रेन दे मला दोन तासासाठी.
But you can be an intimacy director.
I
yeah?
can, and because seduction. Oh my God, I still remember Kangna Ranawat, Kangna ma'am. She हम लॉकअप में हमें कुछ दिया गया था एक गिग, एंड शी वाज लाइक यार तू अपना सेडक्शन का स्कूल खोल दे, मैं उसमें आऊंगी, यू नो, एज अ स्टूडेंट. इट्स लाइक हाउ यू मूव एंड योर अदा लाइक ऑल दैट स्टफ. इट्स लाइक सही. एक्चुअली इट्स अ गुड आइडिया.
है ना?
आई थिंक ऑफ इट.
This next question is by Sahil Padiyar.
साहिल पडियार.
Padiyar. Yeah. So उसमें लिखा है कि does Poonam Pandey feel like Jesus now?
Yes.
If she believes in
बस मेरे पास
resurrection of
वाइन नहीं
पुनर्जन्म.
है. बस वाइन नहीं है.
पानी है, वाइन बना सकता हूँ.
अरे वो वाइब है, वाइब. कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में थी ना.
Nice. What's one secret about you that would shock your fans? This is by Shiv.ani. Shiv Ani.
One secret.
That would shock your fans. Khatam.
Every damn thing about me is like a khuli kitab. Every damn
That
thing.
we can say. Yeah.
हाँ. I have no answer for this. There is nothing.
ब्रश नहीं करते, ऐसा कुछ है क्या कुछ?
वो तो 3 बार करती हूँ दिन में. शावर भी 3 बार है. मेरा वो तो रात को मतलब 1 घंटा शावर में गाने सुनते सुनते chill, you know, full on. No, there's nothing.
खुली किताब.
Completely खुली किताब. In fact, कुछ आ रहा है खुली किताब के बारे में, आपको बताती हूँ.
बताइए. This is the forum.
So this I'm coming up with जो आपने Art of Seduction जो हमने पहले बात की. So I'm already working on that, by the way, guys. And yeah,
It's a book?
Not a book, but something that I will teach. So.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, you will see.
Yeah.
And it's very good for guys, especially.
Please, उसका
लड़के-
कूपन कोड डाल दीजिएगा.
आप लड़के इतने खुश होंगे ना, मतलब बोलेंगे पूनम पांडे तू ही मेरी असली दोस्त है.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
We're looking forward to it.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time, Poonam
Thank
Pandey.
you,
It was
thank
lovely
you, thank
talking
you,
to you.
thank you,
It was
thank
lovely
you for
talk- I hope you
inviting.
had fun.
I had so much fun. Guys, it was so much fun chatting with you, Ankit. You are one amazing host, by the way. And the questions you made me feel very comfy here. And guys, loved your questions, especially the Jesus Christ. बहुत मजा आया. Please, guys, go ahead, like, share, subscribe this amazing page, Digital Commentary. I love you all.